Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create this beautiful updo. It's very simple and doesn't take much time. So if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's begin. At first, diagonally section your hair in two parts. Make a lower section in a ponytail. Now twist the hair in a bun. And secure it with pins. Braid upper section in a French braid. When all hair are braided in, keep braiding a regular braid. If you want, you can pull some hairs from the sides of the braid to make it look fuller. Secure the end with elastic. Place the braid around the bun. Try to hide the end under the braid or a bun. Secure all in place with some bobby pins.
And that's it! I really like this hairstyle. And what about you? Leave me your comment down below. You can also check another hairstyles I made before and subscribe to see new upcoming videos. See you soon! Bye!